everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun scroll saw project video, have an amazing themed fall project designed by Steve Good. Fall is definitely in the air. A lot of people think fall is just the month of September and October, but no, it goes all the way to about the end of December, and then winter officially starts. Fall is a beautiful and romantic time of the year for a lot of people, and I'll just say this, the trees show us during fall how beautiful it is to let things go. The design I've already got printed out to full size and attached to all my material. I'm going to stack, cut, and make two of everything, so I'll have two projects. The backer board has these beautiful fall leaves all the way around it with places for the words, which is on this piece here. And then you're going to have a little circle here to hang it from a door or on the wall. But it's got all these leaves around it, which will be beautiful detail when we cut everything out. This is 1/4-inch plywood, and all my material is attached with clear packing tape. And then the highlight pieces I've got in walnut is the words, fall is in the air. You can see it there, and I've ripped this down to 1/4-inch thick and smoothed it out on the planer, so we're going to make two of all this as well. And then the final pieces is going to be two birds that are going to look like they're sitting in the leaves of the trees. And I'm doing these out of cedar. I thought the three colors of all three woods would really pop in contrast once the clear coat is added to it. But since all of our project is ready to go, let's head over to the drill press, drill all of our pilot holes, and come back to the scroll saw and start scrolling.
And over here on the drill press, we're going to begin by drilling all of our pilot holes for internal cutting on all the pieces. The backer board has several cuts, and we're just going to take our time and get them done over on the scroll saw. I am using number 5 reverse tooth, sharp tooth scroll saw blades for all the cutting on this project. And we're going to begin here by getting some of the smaller internal cuts done, and we'll do all the internal cutting on everything before going to release all the pieces from the wood. If you guys would like to try this pattern, it is available as a free pattern download over at Steve Good's scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com website over in the free pattern catalog. Going here and doing more of the cuts, and at this point I'm at the stage where I'm releasing everything from the wood, and the backer board here was one very long, very tedious cut. I just took my time with it and let the blade do the work. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on my Instagram page at Artisan Pirate. I'd really appreciate the support. And I could feel the blade getting dull at this point after all this cutting. I was having to be a little more forceful with feeding the wood into the blade. But I come on back around to finish this cut, and after cutting out the two birds here from the cedar, I went ahead and changed blades, and I continued on releasing the pieces from the wood, doing the words here for fall is in the air. And again, just taking my time with it. Just one of those relaxing projects where you can sit and kind of zone out and listen to music and enjoy the hobby of scrolling. And I had fun cutting it out. Now over here on the workbench, we're going to release everything from the waste wood, and we'll collect pieces for one project and take it over to sanding and set the other parts aside to finish later. And I'm sanding with 100 grit sandpaper in the palm sander, front and back of all pieces, and I'll do a little touch-up sanding with 220 grit sandpaper off camera. Then we'll head back over to the workbench and glue everything together with CA glue from Klingspor Woodworking. I've really become a fan of this glue and will need to be going back to Klingspor to purchase more soon. This is the CA medium glue. I'm just lining everything up and putting a little pressure on it to let the glue dry and grab. And after it dried, I took it over to the door and give it several coats of clear gloss clear coat, and the project was complete.
And here we have the completed Fall is in the Air piece. It came out amazing. The clear coat we added there at the end really made all the colors of the wood and the grains pop. Thank you, Steve Good, for another amazing design. I have maybe an hour and a half scroll work time in this, just in the scroll saw part, because there were some long, tedious cuts in this project, especially that final outside cut around all the leaves that make up the wreath part of this design. But really, really fun, and I love how the walnut, the cedar, and then the natural wood all just work together and give it that rustic fall look. But really, really cool. Fall is definitely in the air. Crisper mornings, cozier evenings, around the dinner table with family and friends. Really, really fun times. I'm hoping this year, because last year we didn't get to do it, hoping this year we can get to some fall festivals, some harvest festivals, and have some fun with family and friends we don't normally get to see because of the busy summer months. But really, really cool and really, really awesome. Fall is to kick off to the end of the year, and also that leads into Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, all those amazing fun times with family and friends. I had fun making this. Now you could also cut everything out of just normal 1/4" material and then paint or stain everything if you're good with acrylic paints or you have a variety of stains on hands. I just love the natural look of the natural woods with the clear coat, and I hope you guys do too. I've got another one back here on the workbench still to sand and finish, and I'll probably finish it the same way as this one because I really like it. It's ready to be hung up on the door or maybe on a wall around some fall flowers or something like that. But really, really cool and really, really awesome. If you're new here, I'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel and also following me over on my Instagram at Artisan Pirate. I'd really appreciate the support, the follows, and the subscriptions. If there's something you'd like to ask me, drop a comment down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to get back with you. But really, really fun. Had fun making this, and I hope you guys like watching me make this. That's about all for this one. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Happy fall, y'all. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.